Me and my dad are gonna cook steak.
We're making New York steak.
It's better be delicious.
I'm making it with my dad. Ingredients: New York steak, olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh thyme and rosemary, garlic cloves, and butter. Cut up them cloves. Garlic about to make this taste good. It's better to prep all of the food first before you make the steak. Otherwise, if you were doing it while you were making the steak would probably burn. We cut up some of them garlic cloves, some butter, more butter, rosemary. We also have with us some dried thyme, but you're supposed to have some fresh ones, but we didn't have any. It's okay, the steak was still good. I just did an editing trick. Now you gotta soak up all that meat juice. Look, Ma, I'm beating my meat. Now we're gonna cook up some vegetables. We're having bok choy because I hate asparagus. Nice crisp cut. Bro, we gotta change up the pace a little. Yum.